Hello, it's AliMECH. In this video, I will show you how to flush your transmission fluid without using any pump or expensive tools. For those of you who speak different languages, turn the subtitle on and choose your language. My videos will be in 9 different languages. To make the job easier, jack up the car and remove transmission cover to get full access to the transmission hoses. This is the outlet hose which goes to the cooler, and this is the inlet to the transmission. And we will use the outlet to suction the old fluid out. If you didn't know which one is the inlet or the outlet hose, put a transparent hose between them and start the engine, like so. And this is my direction, which is the outlet. Now let's drain the pan. Next, screw it back and wipe the area. I measured the drained pan fluid. It was 3 liters, and now I will add 4 liters. Now isolate the outlet hose so it won't drip any fluid, and then remove it. I use a piece of hose like so I don't damage the hose. Now connect the hose like so and put the end in a gallon with the marked liters so you know how much exactly you flush. We don't need that anymore. Now start the engine. We added 4 liters and we will flush 4 liters exactly. Now the fluid color is red, not black, which is a good thing. When it reaches 4 liters, stop the engine. Now connect the hose and the clamp back. Put the cover back on and lower the car. And now I will add 3 liters. And you have to keep in mind, we drained 7 liters and added 7 liters. Now remove the funnel and put the dipstick back and start the engine. Let's see the difference. This is the old fluid. And this is the new fluid frame transmission. Make sure to move the gear to all position before checking the fluid level, which is the correct level now. Should be at hot after running for a few minutes. And this is how to flush your transmission fluid without using any pump. Thanks for watching. Like if you learned something new, subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you in the next video.